You are the best star I ever had. Oh, Brina, your Brina is so big. Everyone also kalaks. Go home, I'll take lotion and rabalder you. When we eat barbecue plaza, our favorite vegetable is kubis. So pretty. I like. Everything also you got. All also you. You can always make me smile. When you make me smile, everything seems to be alright. You know, I am your lover, not your brother. I lava you. I lava you. You are like a part of my riba. Kamu sangat bagus. Bila you and I nak mula. Sometimes I think we are going too fast. What's the matter? Peace lah. Peace bye for me lah. Peace lah. Peace lah. Peace bye for me lah. Lu punya mata banyak busa. Let's go there. We go there. 我们去那边。你拿不了，拿啦拿。Do you want some more? Do you want some more? You tahu tak berapa I sayang you? I sayang you 1 juta. You're not heavy. You're so light. You're the cure to my pain. I may not buy you a lot of things, but you will always have my heart. Are you a thief? Are you a thief? Because you have stolen my heart. Tools are so sharp. They are so accurately designed, or you can say that they are very concise. Yeah, come here. Come here. Come here. I found it. I found it. I found it. I found Nemo. This thing, right, reminds me of my homework. Cause must pass up, man. This pretty girl. She's so pretty, or you can say she's a smacker. Come here. Come here. Walao, ask you to come, don't come. So 懒傻。这个是不是你的？是不是你的？不是，是我的。Yeah. This shelf a bit too straight, right? Why can't they bend it like back firm? 要不要拿这个？要不要拿这个？不要啦，我们拿那个，拿那个。Where are you from? Which part of Perak? So you can say that you're from the northern part of Malaysia. 小姐，你是我的女朋友。Cik, kau dah ada boyfriend belum? Dah ada belum? Ada. Yeah. Hey, our love can go through any hurdles. It will never rust. Can we eat salted egg later? I have sudden craving for salted egg. Can I? My love is for you only. It's not for anybody. Am I good looking? Am I handsome? I'm stupid. Do you think I'm a dumbass? Yeah, take this. What a pretty lady. Again, right, this is how you call your mother. Lila wo. Finishing that book the other day, but I couldn't finish reading it because it was too thick. 这个罐叫什么？啊？叫什么？ You know, I'm glad you always dress decently, not like a skanker. Tisu ni mahal tau, sebab dia amat berharga. One day, someday, we're gonna get married. I think this blanket looks a bit girly, don't you think? Right? Kalau kau beli berus ni, tandas kau takkan kotor. I think these boxes are not different from the one you saw just now. I think it's the same lah. Long Tau Fu restaurant, we order fishball, okay? Fishball. We eat fishball. Can ah?